we're going to explain how to call a method from another Dart file in your Flutter project. This is a fundamental aspect of structuring larger Flutter applications. To do this effectively, you need to understand the concepts of imports and organizing your code into reusable components. First, let's create two Dart files, helper functions Dart and main Dart. 1. In helper functions Dart, we'll define the method we want to call from another file. Let's say we want a function that adds two numbers, int add numbers, int a, int b, return a plus b, ta. This file solely contains this function, keeping it focused and modular. 2. Now, in your main Dart file, we need to import the helper functions Dart file to access the add numbers method. You do this at the top of main.dart, using import path to helper functions Dart PA. Replace y path to helper functions Dart success with the actual path to your helper functions Dart file relative to your main Dart file. For example, if both files are in the same directory, you'd use import helper functions Dart. 3. After importing, you can now call the add numbers method from helper functions Dart within your main Dart file. For instance, you might have void main int sum equals add numbers 5 3 print sum. This will print 8 low. This demonstrates how you use the imported function just like any other function within your main function. 4. Important note on file structure. Keep your project organized. Consider creating folders to group related Dart files. For example, you might have a services folder for network requests, a models folder for data classes, and a utils folder for helper functions. This helps maintain a clear project structure as it grows. 5. Error handling. If you encounter an error, carefully check the import path. Typos in the file name or incorrect relative path are common causes of import errors. Make sure the helper functions Dart file is actually saved in the location specified in your import statement. Also ensure you have saved both files before running your application. Following these steps, you can effectively reuse code by calling methods from other Dart files, leading to cleaner, more maintainable Flutter applications. Remember to always save your changes after making any edits.